Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So pretty much we're in another part of this whole series for Great Huts. This is our last night here, but at the moment we are searching for the beach. Like, I didn't know that they had a beach area here, so we're pretty much just going down by the beach just to chill and relax a little bit. I'm telling you guys, this property, there's a lot to it. It's ridiculous how much there is to it. You got a hammock over there if you want, and yeah, so we're going all the way down. It's pretty chill, right? Yeah, so here's what I'm gonna do, guys. Here's what I'm gonna do, because I got my hoodie here. I'm gonna brave it. I don't think it's gonna work, but I hope it does. Whenever I go to the US again, I'm definitely gonna order maybe like 20 to 30 hoodies, and I'm gonna do a Soai Vlogs hoodie, and I'm gonna hope that people buy them. People don't, then I guess I can tell how much support I have. But anyway, it says dangerous weather conditions, swim at your own risk, open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so register as guests only. Whoa, this is dope. This is pretty dope. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, look at this, man. Yo. Just for you to get a perspective, because it looks really small on the camera, but really and truly it's kind of high up. So this is a swimming area, and there are hammocks out there to chill on. Wow. Wow. All right. It's pretty nice. And then you can enter from here. Go from there, enter in. You can go swimming if you want. But I can tell you the water got some pretty serious currents. It's not like this, the most calm beach you can find. Because as I said in the first vlog, or one of the first vlogs, where I told you that Portland gets very, very high waves usually. Well, for Jamaican standards. Alright, it's pretty good. So it's pretty much now 4:54 at the moment, so I guess it gives you the whole rundown as to why it looks so gloomy out. Plus, as I said, right now it's in the rainy period. It's been raining in Jamaica like so often. I'm a little bit annoyed by it because like the rain gets me very sad. You feel me? Too much rain for me, I don't like it. It gets muddy and all that, but I do understand as a beekeeper that the rain is important for other things to grow and for the farmers to actually have food to eat. So I ain't gonna sweat it, but I won't say it's my favorite thing. I'm a pretty much use one of the hammocks here, but I'm gonna try to show you guys like a next section of this whole place. But yeah guys, I'm gonna be putting out some hoodies, and that's for sure. I think I'm done. I'm settled on it right now. I'm gonna do some hoodies. Hopefully you guys, you know, support it. You feel me? Because this is how we get to you know, do these trips. All right, over here is a lot calmer. So you got a nice little water pool here that you can use if you want to. It's a little bit more secluded. Nice little cave formation there. It's pretty dope. Just FYI, I told you it's like 5 o'clock now. This place closes at 6. So I'm just gonna give myself a good hour of just relaxation. You feel me? And you got a chair that they put into there, and another chair that they put into there, and pretty much like a dead pool here. So I'm guessing like as the tides get higher, this, you know, goes up a bit more. But wow. And there's a, jeez, man, it's pretty dope. All right. It's pretty dope. Like you guys can come here at this little property and get pretty much lost into just different activities. Because I know you have kayaking as well, if I ain't lying. What else? There's kayaking, surfing. I believe I remember seeing. There's a spa, I believe, as well. Yo, even you can see like the walk that we had to do up top there. This is a really nice spot. I can tell you this, like here for me, based on what it is, because every resort that you go to or every place that you go to has its touches, meaning it's not trying to be a luxury resort, it's not trying to be that. It is what it is, and what it is, it's actually more of a rustic kind of holistic kind of place. And that being said, I give this place a 10 out of 10. I'm sorry. You guys know me. I can be like either really picky, I'll tell you I don't like something, but if I like it, I can't fight it. You see me? Here I give it a 10 out of 10. Like I think the property would have been small. Bro, it ain't. It ain't small at all. Even here, Judah's going up to the next section of this place here. Bro, you even got this part if you want to chill out there and just lay down for a second and just look out. Wow. All right. It's pretty dope. So for all the cliff jumpers, here's a spot that you can jump on or jump from. Jump at your own risk. Pretty much out here at the edge, looking off at all that beauty that Mother Nature has to offer. Pretty dope. Sometimes it's being out here on the edge, sometimes that shows you like how frail you are, man. It's a bit nerve-wracking because I don't like heights, to be quite honest. But how I like to look at life is, you know, whatever is to be will be, you know. If I'm supposed to drown, that's how I'm gonna die. But I think it's very far from that, so I'm just out here on the edge, just chilling for a bit, just looking off. And yeah. I can see someone somewhere over there looking off at something. Yeah. Alright, so I'm by the hammock. Just gonna sit in this and pray I don't spin over. You know what? I'll start recording when I sit. Alright, it was gooch. I didn't sleep. I just sat here and relaxed for a second. But I'm gonna go up to the tent because, not to the tent, to the hut, because I don't want these mosquitoes to eat me. I can't deal with that right now. But I'm gonna cut this vlog off here, and then I will vlog again in the night. Show you guys, you know, what's up for dinner if we get that, and also the performance that they're gonna be having. So yeah, I'll catch you guys pretty soon. I probably might do a live in the hut, maybe. Keep my company. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.